Hello, and welcome to Daily Positive Healing. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or like your thoughts are running a mile a minute, you're in the right place. This is a quick and easy practice to guide you back to peace. We're going to walk through 3 simple, powerful steps together. Let's begin with step 1, arriving. First, find a comfortable posture. You can be sitting or lying down. Now, gently bring your awareness to this exact moment. What are you doing? What are you thinking? What sensations can you feel in your body? Simply acknowledge whatever comes up, the thoughts, the feelings. There's no need to change them, just notice and let them pass by like clouds in the sky. Attune yourself to who you are right here, right now, without any judgment. Now, let's move to step 2, anchoring with breath. Gently bring your full awareness to your breathing. We're going to follow just 6 breaths. Focus your attention on the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice the movement of your body with each inhale and each exhale, the rise and fall of your chest or belly. Find the unique pattern of your breathing and let it anchor you firmly into the safety of the present moment. Breath 1, just noticing. Breath 2, feeling the air move in and out. Breath 3, letting the rhythm soothe you. Breath 4, fully present. Breath 5, anchored and calm. Breath 6, grounded and still. And now for step 3, expanding awareness. Slowly, let's expand your awareness outward from your breath. First to your entire body. Scan from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice any sensations without judgment. Perhaps there's tightness in your shoulders, an ache in your back, or a feeling of lightness in your hands. Simply observe it all. Keep in mind that your body is a complete vessel holding your beautiful inner self. And if you wish, let your awareness expand even further to the environment around you. Notice the sounds, the temperature, the space you're in, feeling connected to the world around you from a place of inner calm. As we finish, take one more deep, nourishing breath in. And as you exhale, release everything. Carry this mindful awareness with you as you continue with your day. Remember, you are so worthy of peace. You are worthy of calm, and you now have a simple tool to return to it whenever you need. When you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. If this 3-step practice brought you peace, please support our community by subscribing to Daily Positive Healing and ringing the bell for more. For a longer practice, try our anxiety release, full body relaxation meditation, or if you need a boost, our morning affirmations for confidence and joy. Thank you for gifting yourself this moment. Be gentle with yourself today.